everyone, this is Joy and you're watching Enjoyable Characters. Today, we are going to start with the character car. 车. 车. The middle part was originally a wheel, but now it looks like a square divided into 4 tinier squares. But what if you don't have a car? What do you take then? The public transportation. For example, 公车. 公车.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry! Only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.